Hey everyone, I have a quick fix for an issue that I ran into. I am keeping this kind of as a development log and then sharing how I fixed it, mostly so that I can reference it, and then if anyone else has run into this too, this will work for you. What we have here is just a simple dive ability. If you need the tutorial on that, Nance Dev Diaries, I can put the link in the description below, has an awesome tutorial on how to set that up. You can kind of take that, modify it, play with it, however you will. If you've noticed the pistol on your animations, or I guess sword or knives, whatever you're using, acts a little funny, kind of does this weird 180 rotation. I've got the fix for you right here. So if we stop this and then we're going to go into the animation right here. If you notice, I've added a track into the weapon underscore R bone. If I go ahead and delete that, the pistol kind of rotates backwards in his hand. If we go ahead and save that and then load into the level again. Sorry for the lag on this. I've got about 30 Chrome browsers open. I should probably close some of those. And then my AI steals all my guns. Alright, so then sorry about that. Let me put that in slow motion. As you can see, if I now dive, the pistol kind of rotates into this awkward angle. So how we fix that is we're going to go back into the animation montage, not the animation. Anytime you add a custom animation, the weapon bone does not quite work right. So we go in here and copy this track. I will show you how to set up the track in just a second. No, you know what? Let's do this instead. Let's delete this track. So as you can see here, we have the weapon turned backwards. Click over on the skeleton tree. We're going to scroll down to the weapon underscore R. Add the key and rotate this down 180 degrees. This is in the Z axis. This is the kind of blue one. That puts you in the right direction, but you're still not quite lined up. Then go back to the move tool. We'll just call this one good for right now. Let's go ahead and add the key. What I'm going to do is go back into one of the animations I already have done, because I've got this one more so placed in the same spot. That way if I copy it, I can keep all of my animations in the same spot. Then if you go back into your animation, you're going to hit Control V. No, let's click here. And we have to add the key and then Control V. Sometimes when you're bulk doing these, if you're adding it kind of to a bunch of animations, I had it where if you open it up, you can do it to a bunch of them. You know, you just have to hit Control V, but it doesn't always work. Just make sure that you have the weapon R bone selected. And then we're just going to paste over this one. So that's it. It's literally that simple. We'll go ahead and save that. Resave all of these. Let's just go back in and I will show you they're fixed. Let's run over here and grab the gun again. And you can see it's working. Let me slow that down for you, down to 0.3. And we'll run and do your dive. You are good to go. Now is the obligatory like, subscribe, hit the notification button. I know, horrible cliche, but it really does help get these boosted in the algorithm. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section below, and I will be seeing you guys soon.